good job. Ang galing na mag-cut ni Kuya David. You know how to cut using scissor? Good job. Up here, Kuya David. Wow, what are you doing?
I'm counting numbers.
Ah, you're counting numbers. Nice. That's Kuya David's favorite. Counting numbers 1 to 100. Look, he's cutting the numbers 1 to 100. Ay, ang galing na niya mag-cut, oh. Dati hindi pa niya kayang gawin yan, oh. Ala, straight. Wow, you cut it straight. Nice. Good job. Nahirapan kasi siya dati maghawak ng scissor, ng pencil. Pencil, hindi pa rin masyado.
4 equals 8. 8 plus 8 equals
16 equals
32.
32. Wow! Galing ah.
4.
Ang galing naman ng David.
Yay!
Ala, hindi nga ako marunong mag-plus eh.
1 plus 1 equals 2. Hi.
2. Wow. Ang galing mag-addition ni Kuya David. Oh, wow. Very good. Ako nga nung age mo, anak ko, hindi nga ako... Ay! Ay!